Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. For that, first of all, you need to come on finance.yahoo.com and over here you need to just log in into your account. Then you need to use the search bar in the top and you need to simply search for the ticker of the company or the stock that you want to just see the historical data for. For example, you type Tesla here. So after typing Tesla, you need to simply just click on its ticker and then you will see the information about this particular stock like this. Now in the left hand section, you will see this historical data option. So you need to simply click on it and then you will see the historical data of this particular stock. Now over here, you can just filter it out with the help of the day, month, dates, historical prices, dividends, etc. So you can just filter it out. Now here you won't be able to see the download option because currently I'm using the free version. So in order to get the CSV file or the download option, you need to just have a gold subscription. And if you go to the subscriptions page, you can see that the gold subscription is going to cost you $39.95 per month, and if you go for the yearly plan, you can save 20%. So I would recommend you to go with the yearly plan. So once you have the gold option, you need to come over here and right next to the currency in USD, you will see the download option. So once you click on the download option, you will be able to easily download historical data from Yahoo Finance. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.